Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is simple stamping. And today I'd like to show you, I really love the Lily Impressions designer series paper, the colorfulness of it and everything. And I know they've used acrylic paint on this one to make the coloring. In fact, I don't know if you can see it, but they have, it looks almost like that. But I wanted to, you know, when it goes away, I want to be able to do my own. So I've created some of my own, well, it's not a mixed medium, but it's definitely a colorful collage of colors. Now I've used Whisper White. This is a Whisper White one, and this is a Very Vanilla one. You can see the subtle differences of what is looking behind it. And today I just want to use the Very Vanilla one, mainly because I have more Very Vanilla note cards. So what we're going to be using is we are going to be using Peaceful Moments as our stamp set. For ink, we are going to be using Memento Black. We are using Flirty Flamingo Melon Mambo, Bermuda Bay, Mango Melody, Coastal Cabana, Granny Apple Green, that's Mango, and Pretty Peacock. Let's bring this up a little more. Pretty Peacock. We are using the Very Vanilla note card and envelope, and we are using the sponge daubers. Okay, so I'm going to get out a piece of scrap paper that I just had here. There it is. And just because I've got this new one out and I don't want to have to. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to lay this right on here. Then I am going to start just adding some of the colors. Now if you don't want it as bright, you know, you start off and then go on. You can start with light or the dark. I like starting with the bright and the darker colors first. You don't have to do it all. Where's my pretty peacock? Don't have to do every inch of it, every color, or every inch of it colors. There can be some that still shows, the Very Vanilla shows through. You don't have to do it just with that. Take your spot or your pad and just highlight it like that. Let's see, Bermuda Bay. And if you just want to use a couple of colors, you can. You don't have to use all of the colors. This is Mango Melody. That's Flirty Flamingo. This is Mango. Oh, no, that's Mango. That's no Mambo there. I want to get this one. Okay, then we're going to use some Melon Mambo. I want to put some reddish in here. And then maybe some Flirty Flamingo. Which is a lighter color. So that will shade in some of the colors. Let's bring you down here so you can see this a little bit better. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my memento and my thank you. And there you have it. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything that I used in this is listed below. I really appreciate you help my small business out by purchasing your Stampin' Up products from me, especially if you like my videos and would like me to continue. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.